This video will show you how to install a DV2 housing camera to the AC-WM04-G wall mounting bracket in practice. First, use the drill template to identify the installing position and drill holes with proper size. Hammering the expansion bolts into the holes. Use 2 of the screws that match with the expansion bolts. Install them into the top 2 points. These 2 screws will be used as hanging points, so don't go all the way in. Mount the AC-WM04-G bracket onto the wall by hanging to the top 2 points mentioned earlier. Tighten the top 2 screws and install the bottom 2 screws to finalize the bracket mounting. Before installing the camera housing, we need to unscrew the 3 screws and separate the dome from the base. Check the black string connecting these 2 parts, it is necessary for later installation. Hold the cables and housing with one hand, use the other hand to connect the required cables. Twist and store the excess inside the bracket. Adjust the housing to fit the screw positions of the bracket. Screw in 3 longer screws to install the base of the housing onto the bracket. You can adjust the lens angles at this point. Tighten the 3 screws to install the dome back to its base. The whole installation is complete.